If you want to learn all about building a PC from scratch, well, you've come to the right place. I'm Wes Bryant, edutainer at IT Pro TV, where the IT pros watch and learn. This course is designed for budding IT professionals and anyone else who has ever wanted to know how to build a PC step by step. It covers the installation of components such as a motherboard, CPU, the cooling systems, solid-state drive, and power supplies. The course is entirely free, and we hope you'll like this learning style and consider IT Pro TV when you're ready to learn more. IT Pro TV has IT training courses for a variety of vendors such as CompTIA, Cisco, Microsoft, Linux, and Apple. And if you want to learn skills like security, cloud, and virtualization, we've got you covered with more than 5,800 hours of learning. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. I hope you enjoy our PC build and thank you for watching IT Pro TV.